As requirements change, TargetRecruit customers can change the information displayed on any record through editing pages and objects. This is easy for an admin to do with drag and drop features and does not require code. For today, let's edit an object. Editing an object will allow us to add new detail sections as well as new fields to a record. All you do is go to the gear icon, choose Edit Object, and it will bring you to the Object Manager. First, I'm going to create the new field. So I'm going to click on Fields and Relationships and click New. You can see you have over 20 different field types that you can choose from. For today, we'll just keep it simple and click Text and click Next. From here, you name your field. So we'll name it Test Field 1. And I can choose how many characters to allow within that field. I'm just going to default to 100. You can have up to 255 per field. You can add a description, so for future reference, you can understand what this field was supposed to be for. And you can add help text, which will display to your users when they hover over the information button. I'll click Next. Here's where you choose which profiles will have access to see this field. I'll leave it defaulted to all and click Next. And then from here, I choose which record type I want this field to be available for. If you have multiple record types, you can pick and choose which one gets to receive this. I'm going to leave it defaulted to all of my account record types and just click Save. So now I have that new test field. What I can do next is go to Page Layouts. And then from Page Layouts, I'm going to choose my account record type. And you can see that test field 1 is already here. But what I'm going to do is actually add a new section. I'm just going to put it right at the bottom. I'm going to decide whether or not this new section header is shown on the main page or only when I'm editing. So for this example, I'll have it show both when I'm editing as well as on my details page. I can choose a single column, double column, and the tab key order as well. So I'll click OK. You can see my new section. I'm just going to drag and drop this test field into that new section, and then I'll click Save. It'll save that page layout, and then when I go back to an account record, it will be available on the account record. Sometimes it will take about a minute to set up. Sometimes it's instantaneous. As you can see here, this one was instant, and as I mentioned, if I hover over the information button, it will show the text that I put in there for my users. It's as simple as that to create new sections, new fields, and reorder the page layout. As requirements change, TargetRecruit customers can change the information displayed on any record through editing pages and objects. This is easy for an admin to do with drag and drop features and does not require code. First, let's edit a page and add some information to our view within the record. I open the record type that I want to edit. In this example, I have an account record. I then click on the gear icon and choose Edit Page. Edit Page will bring us to the framework of the record where I can add or remove components. For example, I will drag and drop potential duplicates from the left and place it above the activity section on the right. Also, let's say I'm using the TargetRecruit middle office, so I want my client records to pull information from our receivables and timesheets to make it easy for me to have a full 360-degree view of my client. I also want to add it to this section underneath the account record. So I simply click on the section. I'll click to add a tab. I will rename the tab something custom. In this case, let's do timesheets and receivables. I'll save that. I can also drag and drop where I want this in the order. So I'll just do that. Then what I'll do is click on the new tab that I created, and I will pull related lists into here. Now, the reason why I do that is I can now select this related list and change it to timesheets. And then I'll select this related list and change it to receivables. Now all I do is save this. Once it tells me the changes are saved, I can hit back to the page I was editing, and you can see it's now available there. And I have a view of any timesheets or receivables that will be associated to this account.